Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? I have something special news for all Chainlink holder, and this is very important for all of you to understand. And kindly please understand what I talk to. This is very important now. Not just new, my brother. I will guide you. Please, my brother, do this. What I talk to. I hope you will never lose, and you will get every month a very huge profits now, my brother. This time, my brother, the Chainlink is completely on the trending. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days. All change occur positive now, so that's a very good, my brothers. Today will give you a profit. And as you can see, my friend, the rank is 13 now, so the market cap is 10 million and 24-hour volume is 1 billion. So relating supply 4 million, and you can see here max supply is 1 billion, my brother. Distribution 44.45. It's a really good now, and Chainlink is same moving like XRP, my brother. That's a really good jump occur now, my brother. You can see here plus 9.35% profit, and just in only last 7 days. So 24.8 USD dollar is the latest price. I hope, my brother, in upcoming time the Chainlink price will be increasing, and the profit absolutely, my friends, they will make you millionaire now. So upcoming time, I expect very good, my friends, for Chainlink. They will give me a profit. But what's your expectation? Please tell me in a comment box, and what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. This is very important for all of you to understand now, my brother. Kindly share your experience, my brother, in a comment box. Thanks for watching, Chainlink holder. Hope you understand something new in this video, and kindly, if you are new my channel, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.